Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, got ready and everything. So let me show you how I do my hair. And it looks kind of great. But yeah. Let me set it up. Putting it on the shoebox. Okay. So here's my hair. I'm not going to put no gel in it. I have to part it. I need something a bit higher so I can stand on it really high. Probably this 50-pound thing. Alright, so I'm gonna start by parting it. By the way, I'm not using my gel today because I don't want to, because it got straightened yesterday. I straightened it yesterday. Something in my hair. But this is what you do. You comb it down. Just a bit naughty. Just a little bit. So then there's my hair. I have a little scrunchie that I'm gonna keep on my wrist because it kind of matches my shirt. And I'm gonna use this. It smells really good because it was a bit wet. Because yesterday I washed my hair and then I straightened it. I blow dried it, then straightened it. So that's why it's like this. You know, I'm messing with my hair. So now that my hair's like this and it's like flat, I'm gonna keep this down. I like doing this so it can keep down, and then this keep down, and I just bring it to the back. Put most of this back here. Giovanna Cobblestone, and you were my babe. So I did this, but it's not gonna be like that. But it's me, because you guys aren't actually here. It's kind of naughty. It is morning. Well, it's not. I don't think it's morning because I woke up pretty late. Let me check what time it is. Gosh, it's like, hold on, I need to go. Alright, so I got some soda. I'll check my phone. It was a 1:45. I woke up at 1. Woke up at 1. See?
Yes, if I put these in your closet. Make sure all your stuff get in the closet. Everything's all clean. Make sure you line all your shoes up and make sure they all everything. Alright.
Because she put those away.
We're close.
Huh?
This is our basket.
Yeah, her clothes are in her basket.
Oh. I brought our basket. Hey, give me that pee pad. I'll give you a fresh one.
So it was my bad. I got so scared because I was like, it was. I have to get my nails done. I'm getting French tips. They look like French tips, but they're not. Most of them fell off. They were brittle, so they kept on coming off because I had part testing. I'm looking in the mirror, so you guys are probably wondering why I'm doing like this stuff. I'm getting close. I could tell I'm not wearing a bra right now. Cause when I stretch out, you could see my nipples. Not trying to get reported. Please don't. I don't straighten my hair like this, but I'm just trying to see if it will straight, like, curl. You got pretty. Dressed in my jeans. Yo, guys, I think this is stuck in my head. I just did something wrong. When I mean wrong, it's stuck. Guys, like, I'm about to freak out, really. Guys, it hurts. It's pulling my hair. Come on here. Now you can do it. Guys, this was not a good thing for my hair. Poor hair. I'm using the big one instead of the small one. I almost cried the mess and went to my parents. Poor hair. Please don't. My hair is ocean thick. It's just straight and I'm really sweating. So I'm probably just gonna put it in one of those high buns so that I push it back. I know that's not how you part, guys, but right now I'm like really lazy because we're going to the movie theaters with my cousins and I need to get ready. I'm already ready. I'm in left. I'm in, let me put the camera. I'm in leggings with hole on the side, and then this blue dark shirt. And my hair. That's not how I shake on TikTok. I shake like that. It is so hot outside. That's why I'm drinking it, like drinking it so much. It doesn't matter. use the comb to brush it back to the side. That's my hair for the day.